Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is the coronavirus. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose or treat any illnesses. Please contact your healthcare provider if you are experiencing symptoms or have any medical concerns. Virology tidbit: the term virus is derived from the Latin word venom or poison. What is a virus? A virus is a pathogenic microorganism that causes disease. They are infectious agents that consist of one or several molecules of RNA or DNA. This molecule is usually covered by a coat made of one or several proteins and coated by complex envelopes. Viruses don't have enough machinery of living cells to generate and utilize biochemical energy, so they depend on living cells of a host for their reproduction. These pathogens are microscopic in nature. That means that they are so small that you need a microscope in order to see them. How do viruses infect humans? A virus must have a host in order to replicate. In order for a virus to infect a human, it must gain entry into the human host cells. Once this is done, it can use the cell's machinery to replicate and spread to new cells. Coronavirus. The term corona is Latin for crown. The coronavirus COVID-19 originated in 2019. This virus is officially named SARS-CoV-2 for severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 because it's genetically very similar to the SARS coronavirus that was responsible for the SARS outbreak in 2002. Coronaviruses are single-stranded RNA viruses that have protein spikes on their outer surface. These spikes resemble a crown when viewing the virus under a microscope. How does the coronavirus spread? Via direct or indirect contact. Direct contact occurs when you breathe in the virus from an infected person who coughs or sneezes as a result of being in close proximity to the individual. Indirect transmission occurs when you touch the surface of a contaminated object that was touched by an infected individual and then touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. This provides a portal of entry for the virus. The virus is transferred to an object when an infected person touches it. Symptoms for a coronavirus infection can range from mild to severe. The most common symptoms include cough, fever, and shortness of breath. As per the CDC, symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days post-exposure. Due to the fact that symptoms can and do vary from person to person, as well as the level of severity, it is extremely important to contact your healthcare provider or seek immediate medical attention if you have any symptoms. How to prevent the spread of coronavirus? CDC guidelines to prevent the spread of coronavirus include hand washing. Hand washing is the best way to prevent the spread of germs and infection. You should wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, using the bathroom, and before eating or preparing food. Use hand sanitizer to clean the hands if soap or water isn't immediately available. Use an alcohol-based sanitizer with at least a 60% alcohol content. It's also very important to avoid shaking hands with other people and wash your hands immediately afterwards if you do so. Stay home if you're sick. Avoid public areas. Avoid public transportation. Avoid large crowds. Avoid touching surfaces with your bare hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with contaminated or dirty hands. Clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces. High-touch surfaces include counters, tabletops, doorknobs, bathroom fixtures, toilets, phones, keyboards, tablets, and bedside tables. It's also important to clean and disinfect any surface that may have bodily fluids on them, such as urine, saliva, blood, or fecal material. More information on how to prevent the spread of coronavirus can be found on cdc.gov. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find the information very helpful. Please like and subscribe and feel free to leave comments. Thank you again, and God bless.